Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech Talk. Today we are going to discuss part 14, Parse data using behavior subject. Before proceed to this video, please watch the 13th part, Output Decorator. I will share the link in description box. So let's start. What is behavior subject? Behavior subject is a special type of observable and it is part of your RxJS library. It is used for communication between sibling components. If there is no parent-child relationship within components, then you can send data from one component to other component using behavior subject. If you want to use behavior subject in your component, then you need to import behavior subject from RxJS. Here, here is the way you can import. Syntax of behavior subject. First, you need to define public user equal to new behavior subject user model in square bracket new user. So here I am creating user behavior subject which is of type user model. To set value, you need to write one function in your service which is set value which takes user of user model type, and in this you can write this dot user dot next and bracket you need to pass your data to set the value. To get the value also you need to write the get value function in your service which returns observable of user model. So in that you need to return this dot user dot as observable. So it returns the data in observable. Let's move to practical part. Here I have created one Angular application. First I will first I will navigate to app. Then in this folder I will create ng generate component sibling dash one. Sorry, spelling mistake. Ng generate component sibling dash one. Okay, our sibling one components get created. Now I'm generating second component ng generate component sibling 2. Okay, this is my sibling 1, sibling 2. Now I want to create the service here. So here I will create one folder services. I will navigate to this folder and here I'm generating ng generate service shared data. So here my service get created. Okay. Now here in service, open this shared data service. Here we need to create the behavior subject. So for this, here I will write. Let's understand the requirement. Here I need to pass the data from sibling 1 component to sibling 2 component. So for that, I will create here a string type of behavior subject. So I will name it public message equal to new behavior subject which is of string type, and in bracket I will assign null initially. Okay, now to set the value I will create the one function in my service with name set message which takes message type of string. So in this I will write this dot message dot next. Here I'm passing my message. Okay, to get value also I'm writing the function get message. Okay, which returns the observable of string. Okay, here I'm returning the behavior subject value. So here I'm writing this dot message dot as observable. Okay, here we have share data service code. Now I'm going to open this sibling one component and this component.ts as well. Okay, I will pin this here and here I will write some code. So first div tag I have added, assign class equal to form group. Okay, and inside this also I will create another div with same class name. Here I'm just writing heading like sibling one. Okay, I will copy this div, paste here. In this I will create one input type text box. So input type equal to text, and here I'm assigning ng model for two-way data binding with property name is message. So I need to create this property in my component. So here I'm going to add public message colon string equal to, initially I assign null to it. Okay, now here I will add some br tag, and after this I will add button. Type is submit. Here I'm giving text as pass data from sibling 1 to another. And here also I'm writing here click function, click event I have added here. And we'll write function name is set value. Okay, so I need to add this same function in my sibling one dot component dot ts. Okay, in this I want to set the value of that behavior subject. So for this, first I will import service in my component. So here import from, here I need to specify the path services slash share data service, and here I'm injecting my service in constructor private shared service colon shared service. Now I am using this to set the value of your service. So here I'm typing this dot share data service dot set value function, sorry, set message function, and I'm passing here this dot message because this is our two-way data binding property and we get here updated value. So I'm setting this message. Now maybe here I will add some br tag and hr tag to differentiate, and here also I'm adding some padding left 10 px, padding left 10 px. Okay, this is our sibling one code. Now I am opening the sibling 2 html and component.ts. Okay, now we need to get this value in our sibling 2 component. So for this also we need to import the shared data service in sibling 2 also. So here I'm importing the same and I'm injecting into constructor. Okay, And here I'm creating one property with message which is of string type equal to, I'm assigning null to it. Okay. Now in ng on it, I'm getting this value. Okay. So I will call here get message dot subscribe response of any, or we know the type, so we will just type string, and I'm assigning this response to this message. Now I'm assigning this response to my message property. Okay. Go to the HTML. Here also I will add some div, and I'm assigning, sorry, class name equal to form group. In this also I'm creating another div with same class. Here I am so giving heading sibling 2. I will copy this div, will paste here, and here I will print data from sibling 1, and using interpolation here I'm writing the message. Okay. Now let's run this and see the changes. Okay, I will open this URL. Okay, nothing is happening. Oh, sorry. Here I need to add selector for our siblings. So here I will add sibling 1. And for sibling 2. Okay. Now open this URL, you can see. Okay, what is this bracket? Go to sibling.html. Okay, this one. Let's save it. Here you have sibling 1 component and this is sibling 2 component. Now whatever message I have typed here, and when I click on this message, then this message gets passed to this sibling 2 using our behavior subject. So here I'm typing welcome to TikTok. When I click on this button, you will see your data here. Okay, below this. So here we get the data from our sibling 1 component to sibling 2 component. Okay. So that's it from this video. If you have any question or concern, please contact me via this email or comment on this video. I will get back to you. Thank you. Happy learning.